Kings and Queens, it's your girl AnekeAnnakay. Welcome back to the channel. If you're an oldie but goodie, how you doing or whatever. If it's your first time here on the channel, thanks for stopping by. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I have zoomed you in, and obviously we are using our August paycheck bill tracker by the Budget Mom, as you guys can see down below. We are going to be doing our paycheck number 1 for August. So this is our 15th paycheck, which is my paycheck number 1. So this is going to be 15 August. Yep, 15 August 2020. And for this, we only get one paycheck. So I'm going to name this paycheck number 1. And this is gonna be in purple because it's only one paycheck and majority of this is coming out of the bank. So if my paycheck is coming out of the bank, I like to write it in the purple. So this is $837.60. That is the total amount for our paycheck. And so that is our total income of $837.60. All right, so the first thing, we're gonna move down to bills section, which is down right here. And we only have one bill, which happens only on the 15th, and it is Merrick. Merrick is my dad that lives in Jamaica, and currently he can't work because of an injury he sustained. So I send this money to him to kind of help, offset his cost of living. So I send him $104 every 15th. So, I send them $100, and then using Western Union, it takes $4 to send money down there, at least for this amount. So in total, $104 will go to him. And ooh, y'all, this is wrong color. What is up with me? What is up with me? This is the wrong color, girl. Wrong color. Look at me tell y'all what the colors mean and then go use the wrong color. We're supposed to be using blue because this is automatic transfer or usage. So this is 104. But the bill total though is written in purple. So yeah. So the bill total is 104. And then our leftover would be, hold on guys, let me get my calculator. Bill total will be $837.60 minus 104 will be $733.60. So $733.60. All right, guys. So we're gonna take this $733.60, move it down to envelopes. And normally, guys, I don't use money. I don't put money in envelopes on my 15th paycheck because majority of everything for the month is used on my first. But I say, you know what? Things happen and you got to use it sometime. So you know what? Sometimes you got to stuff it on the 15th even though it's not normal. So moving on. So a new that's getting stuffed on the 15th is hair. So listen guys, like I love my hair. My natural hair, don't get it twisted. However, sis don't like doing it. So what I've decided to do is I will wash my hair, but I will let someone else do it. I don't mind washing my hair. It's the doing it afterwards part that bothers me like too much. So I have hair on here. I have toiletries to put a little bit of coins towards it because as you guys know, deodorant, it ain't expensive, but it's needed. Then house stuff is getting some coins as well. And lastly is personal care because sometimes sis really be forgetting about herself. Like I'm important. So this money is coming out of the bank. So we are gonna write it in purple. And here is getting $40. Yes, y'all, a whole $40. I know, doing a lot. But I said I wanted to give myself $100 between both paycheck per month for my hair because I'm gonna be either braided my hair or have them do my natural hair, and just depending, it might cost more, it might not. So I just wanted to make it at least available, because $60 can get me a certain hairstyle, but it won't get me everything. So $40 for hair. Toiletries is getting $5. House stuff is getting $5. And personal care is also getting $5 because they got stuffed in like my bike video in my last, my money that I got from selling my bike or selling my scooter, they got stuffed. So it's not like they're not getting stuffed, and they got stuffed on the 1st or the 31st last month. So it's not like they ain't got no money. Okay, so the total amount for envelopes is $55. And so we are just going to minus 55 from that good sis, and she left us with $678.60. All right, and we're gonna take this $678.60 and we are going to move her over into sinking funds. Now we are stuffing 4 cash envelopes, well, sinking funds over here. So the first one, as you guys know, McCord Air Force Base, McCord AFB. Then we got car maintenance, because as much as me and car maintenance be going to fighting, she's always there for your girl. Travel Korea is getting a little bit of coins, because you know what? Your girl got places to go. And then last but not least is miscellaneous, because shoot, always be using the money in that envelope for something, because something comes up. Like, it's just the random things, y'all. It's the random things. So all this money as well is coming out of the bank. So what am I doing? Not car maintenance. McCord is getting $30. Car maintenance is getting $25. Travel Korea is getting $150. I know. It's a cute little change. They getting a cute little change. I know, girl. I know, sir. I know. I'll peep game. I know. Miscellaneous is getting $13 because, like, yeah. So this is 30 plus 25 plus 150 plus 13 is 218 for the total of sinking funds. I know, sis. I know. Usually we ain't doing all this. We ain't doing all this. So the balance left over, 678.60 minus 218, is $460.60. So this is $460.60. And then we don't got nothing we giving to nobody, no extra, none of that. So we are gonna move this amount down to extra savings. So this is $460.60. And then in this category, we are stuffing 2 things. And so that is, of course, the savings account, because that's what this is, of course. And we are stuffing the 10K and $5 challenge. Y'all, I'm so excited about this. If you have not seen my 10K or $5 challenge, I will have it like at the end of this so you guys can see, because I'm so excited for that. Now, this is going to be written in blue for the savings because it's an automatic transfer. Oh, don't drop it now. And we are doing 60 cents. I know. I transfer my coins, literally. I transfer anything underneath $1 to savings account. If you guys watch my weekly check-in, you also know that if I am putting money in my account, then if it has some cents on it, I go up to the next dollar and I just put whatever leftover cents into my savings account. Like, one, America has a shortage of coins, even though I don't live in America. But 2, I don't really like coins. I really like that cash, that paper money. Yeah. So that's what I do. And then for the 10K and $5 challenge, I am taking out 460. Yep. And so that would leave me a total of 460 cents. And that would make this $0, y'all. And your girl loves her a zero-based budget. So total income minus all of these sections is gonna leave you with $0, hunty. So now that we've completed the paycheck bill tracker, we're gonna complete the cash envelope breakdown. So I'm going to write in the categories and then come back and close out with y'all. Okay, y'all, so that was basically my budget breakdown and also the cash breakdown. What I'm going to do now is I am going to write my cash breakdown amounts. Oops, hold on. I'm going to write my cash breakdown amounts on this little sheet, and this is what I would bring to the teller, and she would basically give me the coins. So I'm basically writing down here. All right, guys, so I would put this inside my wallet, and basically that is what I would give to the teller, and she would give me back $7.33 broken down that way. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down below if there's anything that you guys think I could do different with my budget. You know, I'm open to suggestions. So yeah, what else? Oh, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and also I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure you guys look out for those videos. Make sure you click the bell and turn on your notifications. And yeah, guys, it's your girl AnekeAnnakay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't mine.